Alright, here's a 1993 Suzuki Carry 4-wheel drive mini truck, imported for road use, that we lifted it up 2 inches, added Ultra Cross tires, 23 812s. Here's your 2-inch lift, and ITP tires. These are the originals, and this is how the truck looks. In the rear there's just these shackles. And let's start it up and show you how the plow works. It has 50,000 kilometers, about 35,000 miles. Fan. This is your 4-wheel drive, so lift this up. 4-wheel drive light comes on, the extra light comes on. So anyway, here's a button for the snow plow. I'll push this down, see how that works, and push that back up. I'm gonna have my buddy push that button down so we can see it from the front. Alright, Todd, you wanna go check that out? Going down and going back up. And that's your pin right here. So you turn right or left, and that's how that works. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.